Hello, my friends. Today I will teach you how to draw trend lines for successful trades. Let's see how it's done. Now I'm drawing the downtrend line for the market. Watch how I draw it. After drawing the downtrend line, I will draw the uptrend line to cover the market from both directions and take trades. This will also help us understand the market's direction in the upcoming period. Follow along with me, my friend. Here I am drawing the support and resistance lines. The line I have drawn is based on the fact that this area is strong and the market has failed multiple times to break through it. I will rely on it, of course. If it is broken, I will take an upward trade, and if it fails to break through as usual, I will take a downward trade. Let's see what happens. As you can see, as usual, the area was not broken, so we will take a downward trade with a margin of safety. We will wait for the candle to rise a little and then take a downward trade. We took our trade from a decent spot, and I am confident it will be profitable. Very good. Now I will wait to see if the green uptrend line we drew will be broken or not. If it is broken, the market will move downward, and if it is not broken, the market will move upward. Let's see what happens. enter a downward trade and it will be profitable. That's it. Very easy. We're done for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, my friend. Have a great day.